shadow to elements in your Canva designs can enhance depth and visual interest. Follow these steps to effectively add shadows to text, images, or graphics within Canva. Choose to either create a new design by selecting a template or open an existing project from your Canva dashboard. Click on the image or graphic in your design to which you want to add a shadow. This action will bring up the editing toolbar for that specific element. With the element selected, look for the Effects button in the toolbar. Click on it to open the Effects menu. The Effects option will directly show image-related effects, including shadow. In the Effects menu, find and click on the Shadow option. This will apply a basic shadow to your selected element. If you're working with text, you'll see options for shadow under the text effects. Once the shadow is applied, you will see options to customize the shadow to your liking. These options may include: change the color of the shadow for better contrast or visual appeal. Adjust the intensity slider to make the shadow more subtle or pronounced. Control the horizontal and vertical displacement of the shadow to create the impression of distance and direction of light. Increase or decrease the blur effect to make the shadow sharper or more diffused. Adjust these settings until you achieve the desired look for your shadow. After applying and customizing the shadow, click off the element to preview it within your design. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.